Welcome to Ngo 2010 Sharp Eye channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click that subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Hey, tada. This is Ngo 2010 Sharp Eye channel. We are here at Orlando Stadium, Orlando Pirates 2, Chess Galaxy 0. My brother.
Yes, sir.
How's it?
I'm alright, sir, yourself.
Good man. What's your name? Where do you come from?
Igama ubukelana kaKhumalo Sibonga. Soweto Protea Glen. Yebo mhlonishwa bengila ngizobukela ibhakani ngijabulile sir. I've got nothing much to say but ngijabulile kakhulu the way Pirates idlala ngakhona. Sibafisela inhlanhla abanye kusasa sir. Sizobe sibabhekelele but sizobe sisemakhaya.
Yini ekujabulisa kakhulu namhlanje?
Ngijabulise 2 goals sir. 2 goals.
Yeah.
I'm happy because of iPirates yakora manje. Yeah, asaminyi.
Oh yeah.
Saminyi.
But beniminyi lathi legcineni phela.
Hayi besazi
Le ngoma ethi bekusekusela kancane sophumelela.
Yes.
Nicule mase kuthiwe additional minutes.
Kunjalo senza ngamabomu.
Akunabomu ade limincile. Kade kunzima no ngibonile ngathi but it's a good thing ukuthi at least you managed to score the second goal, especially from your striker uMabasa, who a lot of supporters have been doubting him a lot.
Kunjalo say I'm also happy because of we going where we belong. Siyaphezulu manje. Yeah, siyaphezulu.
Where you playing number 2?
No, not number 2.
Oh yeah.
Good number 2 last year.
Oh yes.
Now 2025 sir. Tulubheka. Ngizohlangana nawe sineneni. Ngizolithola leli thuba mawukuthi ngiyalithola ngizokubuza sir.
Maybe after 4 or 5 games.
Not 5 games sir.
Yeah.
3 or 2 games. Yes.
No, it's avulekile.
Yeah, but
isavulekile league le ndoda.
Isavulekile.
3 games is still pants.
Isavulekile sir.
Kanti maybe 5 games, 6 games.
Kunjalo sir. NeAfrica futhi ungakhohlwa.
Exactly.
Silapha. And siloaded ngama players sir. Yonke player oyifunayo ku Pirates uyayithola sir. A police basibona ukuthi a police ngathi uthi ngisithi mbule. Angithi ubonile umbatha bekangekho umbatha. But ubonile bekungabonakala. If bekhona umbatha sir. Yo, ngiyabonga.
Siyabonga futhi.
Thank you sir.
Congratulations futhi.
Thank you sir.
Sharp.
For your soccer updates, visit www.ngo2010sharpeye.com.